Navigation Drawer is a native user interface component used in mobile applications. It provides a way to navigate between different sections or pages of an application. In this tutorial, we will be learning some simple steps on how to add a navigation drawer in your mobile app. To add a navigation drawer, you will have to enable it from Integration Modules. In Integration Modules, you can find the navigation drawer. Enable this module to use in your app. After that, you will find the navigation drawer in your side menu. Here you can customize the navigation drawer of your app. You can change the background, and header text color to adjust its look with your theme. Also, you can set a title and secondary title to display in the drawer header. You can also add a logo on the drawer header if you want. Additionally, Appilix provides you the power to customize the color of the menu items text and icon. Finally, we will add the menu items and the corresponding URL to load in the app on clicking the menu items. Now let's save the changes and build the app. Our app building is completed and let's test the app. You can bring the navigation drawer onto the screen by swiping from the left edge of the screen. To open the navigation drawer by tapping the drawer icon from an app bar, you will have to use that app bar module. Great, all the changes are working in the app, and these were the simple steps for you to add navigation drawer in your app in Appilix.